Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a professional logo using Canva, completely free and super easy. Even if you've never made a logo before, by the end of this video, you'll be able to create one that looks amazing. So let's get started and go to canva.com. After the website opens, go to the logo section. Here, you'll see many different logo templates. Now select any logo design that you like. After selecting it, click on Customize this template. It will open in the Canva editor. Now you can change everything in this logo. Write your own name or brand name where you want. If you want to change the color of the text, you can easily do that from the top color option. You can also change the color of the shapes or logo icons the same way. So basically, you can customize text, colors, and icons exactly how you like. Make it match your brand style or your favorite color theme. That's how simple it is to personalize your logo in Canva. Once your logo looks perfect, click on the Share button at the top right corner. Then click on Download. Now again, click on Download, and that's it. Your professional logo is ready in just a few minutes using Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments what kind of logo you made. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.